Pasok na kami dito. Ambot sa inyo pila? Dugangan na yung pilahaw. Dugangan mo.
Pila mo kuya.
SEPU, Cebu means lake. Redundant na po yun. Lake, iisa lang po yun. At ang lawak nitong lake ito, 354 hectares. Then Lake Siloton, located at the top of force number 1, only 48 hectares. The one of tourist attraction of Lake Cebu, 1 to 7 waterfalls. Ilo pa lang from South Cotabato. Dito po natin matatagpuan. This is the highest zip line in Southeast Asia, located at 7 waterfalls of Lake Cebu. At itong lake nito ever since, pero ilan po regular weather problem of Lake Cebu, araw-araw talaga ito umulan. Pero po kahit ganang kalakas ang ulan, ever since itong lake nito, hindi po ito umapaw, walang low tide, walang high tide na mangyayari po. So yung water level po namin, stable lang po ito kasi itong lake nito, malakas na po yung kanyang exit, at yung kanyang exit going to 7 waterfalls of Lake Cebu. So yung tubig sa waterfalls, dito po yun galing. Nagagos natin tubig going to Ala River, Isulan, Sultan Kudarat, Reclaim the Mindanao that found in Cotabato City. Yun pong agos ng ating tubig. So now what is Lake Cebu famous for? The one of the Philippines' most major provider irrigation to the province of Sultan Kudarat and South Cotabato. It is located at the land of Taboli and Obo tribe, so the DOT has promoted one of water. Don't worry, I assure you, 100% there is no crocodile. So that is Tao Cebu Festival. To celebrate that celebration during the month of November 8 to November 11. So meaning, twice a year po kami mag-celebrate ng aming festival dito sa Lake Cebu, South Cotabato. Sa town Lake Cebu, simpleng pamumuhay lang po kami. Lake Cebu, walang malaking ospital, walang mall, walang sinihan, at wala rin po ng nightlife. Still pa rin sa South Cotabato, in terms of tourist destination, here in South Cotabato Province, Lake Cebu, this is the first class of the municipality of South Cotabato Province. Number Glan, Sarangani Province. So ito ka number 2 rin ng Lake Cebu. Lake Cebu comprised 19 barangays. Ang pinakamalaking barangay po which is Barangay Ned, Lake Cebu. Sa likod naman ng bundok niyan, hometown former Senator Manny Pacquiao. Palimbang, Sultan Kudarat side, municipality of Maytom, Sarangani. So if you notice sa inyong mga phone, malakas mo rin sa Lake Cebu signal ng smart at saka globe. Yung sabi po, we have to sell site. Dito po sa Lake Cebu, nasa taas niyan, Smart, at saka Globe. Medyo may nalang po yung signal lang saan, dahil Lake Cebu, parati pong umulan. Pero ngayon, kaya ngayon wala na tayong sunlight. Sa Lake Cebu, napakalamig talaga itong klima po namin. Kung malamig ngayon, mas malamig po tuwing gabi. Malamig ang Lake Cebu because you are in 3,300 feet above sea level po tayo. Nasa itaas po ito ng tuktok ng bundok. So kansa sa ating paligid, the Spring of Dole, Philippines. Wala po tayo mga sa Lake Cebu yung mga malaking plantation like banana plantation and pineapple plantation. Isang dahilan, may po pinagbabawal ng ating local government at rin pong pinabarkan natin ating lake because Lake Cebu, this is watershed area. The products from Lake Cebu which is tilapia. So aside sa tilapia, makita po natin both boxes, both left side and right side, halos ang laman ng ay puro tilapia po lahat. Diyan po ay nalagaan, taking care of tilapia 4 to 6 months before harvest time. Tilapia feeds 3 times in a day, morning, noon, and afternoon. Within 6 months, bago po ma-harvest itong tilapia nito. Mountain Dew, 7-Up, cucumber juice, manzanilla, if you kasi ito well. Anyway, kaya po naging planktons or lumot, kaya po nagaganito yung itong kulay ng Lake of Lake Cebu dahil po ito sa reflection ng mga puno at mga daon sa paligid. So at the same time, while you have your best for this afternoon, huwag natin patugalin pa.
And the different musical instrument and the dances of our tribe. The first Tabaling musical instrument we call kumbing or a bamboo jaw harp. They usually play this during eclipse time to call the moonlight back. The spirit of kumbing is here deep into the earth and here deep into the sky. So ladies and gentlemen, the sound of kumbing.
Ako kasi nag-video mo.
So that was the sound of kumbing. And the next Tabali musical instrument we call siloli or a bamboo flute. Tabali played siloli to express loneliness, especially when you are far from your loved ones, families, and friends. And the last Tabali musical instrument we call tanonggong or a wooden drum, made from the skin of a deer, played to signify wedding ceremonies, festivals, and rituals. That was the sound of tanonggong. And now some of the Tabali dances. The first dance we called Madagtahu or Aturo dance. A dance imitated from Baoy Kinaman. Baoy Kinaman is the sister of Tabali legendary hero named Tuntunun.